Programming has gotten very easy to get into, but not all programming tools are easy to install and get up and running. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can install the Jupyter Notebook on your Windows 11 PC. So if you want to install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows 11 PC, you first need to make sure that you have Python installed. Now installing Python is a rather easy thing. Just open up your browser, head over to python.org. So head over to python.org, head over to the download section, and you should be able to see Python, the latest version for Python on Windows, which is Python 3.12.15 at the time. You can download this as an installer and double click to install it like you would any other program. In my case, if I open the command prompt and check for Python, so let's say Python -- version, you can see that I have the latest version of Python installed, as well as the latest version, I'm not sure if it's the latest version, but a version of pip installed as well. Now if we head back over to our project Jupyter website, you can see that the instructions for installing Jupyter Notebook are actually quite simple. It's just two commands. You can install Notebook using pip, and then you can run it using Jupyter Notebook. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is going to be as simple as typing in pip install notebook. Let me just cross check if it's the same command. Yep. So pip install notebook, press enter, and the installation should automatically begin. As you can see, my terminal is automatically installing everything that it needs to run Jupyter Notebook. So we'll give this a second to make sure that everything is downloaded and installed and good to go. And it should be done any minute now. Now, chances are you're not going to see any warnings like this. They're only popping up on my system because I have a very specific installation of Python for my own development purposes. So there is a good chance you will not see this, and even if you do, you don't really need to worry about a lot unless it installs some component that you need in a location that you're not able to access it. So as long as you have the default installation of Python, which I just showed you that you can get from Python's website, you should be good to go. In any case, our installation is now complete. So let me just clear up the console. And now let's try the command that Jupyter gave us. So Jupyter Notebook, press enter, and it says that this command is not recognized as an internal or external command or a batch file, which is the error right here. So why does this happen despite them telling us that, hey, this is the command that you need to run? So even if I copy and paste this command right here, I get the same issue. Well, if you're getting an error like this running a Jupyter Notebook, what you can do is you can go Python m notebook, and this should start Jupyter Notebook just fine. As you can see, it takes a minute, but it eventually starts running, and it opens up in my default browser. If you don't have a default browser set, it will ask you where you want, in which browser you want to open said HTML file, and here we are. Jupyter Notebook is now up and running, and that's how easy it is to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.